If you've recently gone through security checks with Wells Fargo and need to restore your full access, follow these steps to navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Explain your situation and request assistance in restoring your access. Step 3. Follow security protocols. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may involve confirming recent transactions, providing personal information, or answering questions about your account. Step 4. Update security settings. Once your identity is verified, you may be prompted to update your security settings. This can include changing your password, setting up two-factor authentication, or updating contact information. Step 5. Confirm access restoration. After completing the necessary steps, log into your Wells Fargo account to confirm that your access has been fully restored. If you encounter any issues, reach out to customer service for further assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your full access to your Wells Fargo account after security checks. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.